welcome back to the channel. It's been a very long time since I've been able to do a video. Why has it been so long? Because I've been in and out the sea, and it has threw off everything that I've been doing. So I want to apologize, but I also want to thank y'all because y'all have been holding me down even without any new content. So thank y'all very much. I appreciate the new subscribers, everybody commenting and asking questions. I do respond. I try to respond as quick as I can, but sometimes I just don't be here to respond. But today I'm back with another video, another banger. This one's banger, I believe so. So let's just get to it. There it is. There it is, man. Look, don't mind it. Don't judge me on my dirty house. I haven't had a chance to clean up yet, but I'm gonna clean up after this video because I'm gonna make a mess. And my son just left, so hey, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. You're a car guy. If you know, we have messy houses sometimes. Wanna know why? Because we got car stuff all over the place and kids. Plus, I have a very small place. Forget all that. Let's get to what's in the box. If you're watching this video, you've seen the thumbnail, you already know what's in the box. So let's check it out, all right? Let's go, all right. So, this box right here, see that? Yeah, if you know what that is, yeah. But let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open. All right, y'all, so here we go. Of course, that one stupid little part that you don't cut that gives you the big old headache. All right, put this knife away right there. All right, let's crack her open. Ooh, 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 ooh. You see it? Y'all know what I want, man. Come on, man. Oh, man. Oh, come on. Come on, man. Why I have to do y'all like that? Why I have to do y'all like that? Yay. You see it? Let's pull this joint out. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, y'all see that? Y'all see it, man. I know y'all see it. Jeez Louise, look at this. Ooh, ooh, look at that. Man, this thing feels good too. Yeah, NRG Prisma Ultra racing seats. Hell yeah. Look at that. Look at this Alcantara, man. Look at that. Oh man, this feels so nice. That's really nice. That's nice. Oh man. And I had to go with the blue. Come on, cuz, you already know what it is. Then look at the seats, the cushions. Ooh. Let me get this wrap off here. We're gonna really get into it. Ooh, I don't know why I keep doing that, but geez Louise, look at this, man. Look at the seat. Now we can put that cushion right there. Oh man, look at that. That is one sexy ass seat. Now this is the large version of this seat. They have like a medium size, which is pretty much like the smallest, I guess, but look at that. It comes with the bracket. So, you know, I'm not sure if that's the one fits all universal bracket or do I need another one? And man, look at the back. Everybody's always talking about these backs. I've been looking at this for a while. Then look at that Prisma on the back too. Oh man. Yes, sir. Now, let's talk about it. This seat right here, even though she is a beauty, we have to talk about the cons of putting a race seat in your car. Now, your stock seats have your airbags in them. If you ever get in a wreck, which we never know if we're going to get in a wreck, right? But if you happen to get into a wreck, that stock seat is going to be one of the things that helps save your life with the airbags that's inside. You take that stock seat out, you have no airbags. Now you're just going off the steering wheel and the ones in the overhead. All right. So that's the cons about putting a race seat in your car. But man, look at this thing though. All right. Now, I don't go out and drive stupid. I don't even race or anything like that. I just want to change up the car. So now that I got this, if I want to run the 4-point harness or 5-point harness, I have to get the roll bar, put it in the back, and get the new seat belts. You can run the stock seat belt with this. There's a thing on the side, not on this side, on this side that connects. I think it's right there, that little knob right there. That connects, no, this side. That connects the seat belt that's in the car, the clip where you click it in, that connects it to that. But like I said, yeah, because you're gonna have to go through here, click it in there. And if you get the 4 or 5-point harness, you got to put a roll bar, and you got to get the things right there, measure it out. Same for these two on the bottom. Well, 5-point, if you have that one right there too, that will come underneath. So got that, and yeah, that's about it, man. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take a seat in it so y'all can see how I look inside it. All right, y'all, so finna go ahead, have a seat in this bad boy. Oh man. Oh man. Driving. Man, it feels good. Feels good. Now, I like to have my seat reclined a little bit, so sitting straight up is gonna be a little different, but okay, hey, cool, whatever. But I mean, just sitting in it, it feels pretty decent. And I'm 6'1", about 220, 230, somewhere in there. So I mean, it feels really good. And you know, trying to like get my feet right. I know it's gonna be a little bent, but if I'm let's say that's about right. That feels real good. This cushion right here feels pretty good. This is the warranty and disclaimer, so definitely keep that on you. So like I said, just putting this seat in your car without taking your stock ones out, you're going to lose the airbags. But if you're not out here driving crazy, you're not doing anything stupid, obviously you can't control the other drivers on the road. But you know, if you're paying attention, you know, you can avoid a lot of things. Some things are just unavoidable, but you know, that's just my note on getting one of these. That's the unboxing of it. I do have the other pieces. They go to the bottom to so in the charger, you have the automatic driver's seat, right? So that power the power seats to move it up, forward, and up and down, you're gonna lose that function with this seat. So you have to buy the thing that's on the passenger seat to move it forward and back. So there's a rail for that, and I have it. I bought that. Also got some screws. This came with some bolts and screws as well. So I'm gonna do a little bit more research into putting it in the car, and then I'll go from there and see if I do need a extension for the seats to go in, or can I just put this seat in there? Because I don't know if I showed you, I didn't talk about it, but they have the rails on the side, but I'm not sure if that is going to be able to bolt to the stock rails inside the car. So we'll just we'll document it together. You guys can check it out as I go along, and we'll do it together. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the other piece that I got, and then yeah, hopefully we'll get to the install pretty soon. All right. So, oh boy. Ugh. All right. So apparently Amazon messed up my thing, but these are the bolts and screws for the lever that goes on there, but they didn't seem my lever. So that's the part number. So I got this off of Amazon. I got the chair off of Amazon. I tried to buy it off eBay, but eBay was wanting like $560 for it, like an extra $200 more. So on Amazon they're $360. So pretty good price. You see the box that it came in, pretty decent sized box. I can actually fit in that box if I wanted to. So pretty decent sized box. And also, so the seat cushions, you can take, like you saw that this seat cushion comes out, right? And you can sit in there if you don't want your legs propped up high. And the cool thing about this has like little pockets right there. So it's pretty cool. And this one comes out as well. So if you ever want to change it out, like mix and match the colors of the seat. So pretty cool. Looks badass. So yeah, that's going in the car soon. And I'll get the harness, the roll bar, put it in there, and we'll be legit. And then like I like the little glitter in there. And I'll show you guys the bottom of it. And that's the bottom. And that's where your if you have a 5-point harness that goes in there like that underneath. So like I said, I think this railing, I'm pretty sure this is the universal one, and I'll have to get it. Let me lift this up. Ugh, sorry. But yeah, so looks pretty cool. And it's gonna go in the car. So that's today's video for y'all. Right there. Look at that. Yeah. So yeah. That's how we're looking, y'all. That's how we're coming for whenever. Now I don't know if I'm gonna put a passenger one in there. I kind of want to, but it's a passenger seat. I'd rather have both of them matching, switch out the back seats to all black because I don't really like the leather. So hopefully this will be a nice, and like I said, man, it feels really, really good. This Alcantara feels really, really good on this seat, man. So all right, y'all, so that's today's video. Hey, if you like it, please like, subscribe, ask any questions down in the comment section, and hopefully the next video I upload is me installing it. So I will see y'all next time. Peace.